Don't try this at home. What I got here is a fireplace from Landecor. I got at homedepot.com. I'll leave a description in the link below. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. This box opener here has a dull blade, and if I slip, I'm not gonna cut myself. You see that? So, look how quick that was. All right. Ooh, she's pretty. And then in here, we've got the pieces that are going to hold it together. Looks very familiar. More on that later. Pretty nice. They look like stone, but they're polyurethane. They're stone. Bring it on. For propane, flexible hose. Oh, there's something else in there. Ah, the tape.
So this is a trick that I've always used whenever putting on PTFE or teflon tape onto pipe threads. So what I do is I figure out the fitting, the male end, and righty-tighty. So then I bring it with this in my right hand, PTFE in the left hand. Get this nice and straight, stick it on there, start wrapping it around. Once you get all the way around, get it on there, and then it sticks on pretty good. And then you just go righty-tighty until you got 2 to 3 layers at minimum, and then you go up to 5 or 6, just depending. So it's 5 right there. And you just pull it tight.
So I'm going to start here, push that down, while holding it, wrap this around. Oh, it's starting to slide. I keep holding it down until it overlaps itself. Give it a nice pull, keep the pressure on it, and then it sticks to itself. And then I'm going to pull it tight. I'll put this piece on here. This is a piece I bought online to connect to my natural gas. If you're just connecting to propane, you should use this connector that came with it. Now the flexible metal hose connects with a flare fitting, so you don't need to use the tape since it's not tapered, and instead is sealed metal on metal. You'll just need to make sure to tighten it real well with 2 wrenches. I'm probably going to put this on the cement. I'm going to use these short ones here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I would take these short ones here, put them in, and just slide right into place. Okay, and then down here in the corner is the hole. So as I bring this in, I'm going to take the flexible hose, stick it out that corner down there. And just line this up, and it covers those corners like so. And that's it. Bring it on. So this is the gas line coming out. If you're trying to figure out if it's on or off, just look at the direction. So the direction that this is going signifies the direction that the gas is going. So since it's going perpendicular to the pipe, it's turned off. So to turn it on, I just point it with the pipe. Now no gas is coming out because of this cap. So we're gonna start by taking that cap off after we turn the gas off. I have these pieces going in here. This This part reduces the size, then it can connect to this, and this is a quick release, so I can have a hose plug into this, but then when I'm not using the fire pit, I can pull the hose out and leave this all in there. Don't try this at home. This should be done by a professional. Don't do what I'm doing. Ugh. There you go. There's the cap. Oh, good. Tighten the outer later, and as I'm tightening it, you see that this one's moving as well. But eventually, there will be enough torque and enough friction that this should move just a little bit, and then I should be done since I've already tightened that one. And then everything will be the same torque. Let's see, it's starting to move a little bit now. Just get a little bit more. If I turn on this gas line and I don't hear anything, it should be good, right? It's pretty quiet to me. Okay, so I take this cap off. This is a quick release valve here. Push that in. And put it in there, and it kind of springs back, so I get it pushed all the way in, let it go. Now it's tight. So I should be able to turn this on and go and light it. Nice. This is what the fire pit looks like when it's all set up. I've added some lava rocks so that it will absorb the heat from the flame and makes it look even prettier. So let's see how it works. Woo! So I'm really enjoying this fireplace. It was easy to set up. If you want to see the video of the garden boxes that have the same design, check out this video here. Otherwise, you might enjoy this one here. Check it out and bring it on. Ha ha ha. That rock is hot. Ouch.